Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing the new Apple Watch Ultra 3. So packaging looks pretty similar to previous Apple Watch Ultras. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 in natural titanium. Let's going back to natural titanium. It was nice trying out black this last year, but gotta mix it up, go back to titanium, you know? Let's check it out. Nice premium unboxing experience as usual. Wow. Very nice. Got the instructions, the usual. Ooh. Natural titanium, let's go. Got the nice charger here. Trying to open that up clean. Let's open up this guy. Ooh. All right, I give up on trying to open it super cleanly. Wow. Super fresh. Very nice. Apple Watch Ultra 3. Set that down. Finally, the new band. So this is the black charcoal natural titanium trail loop band. Looks cool. Let's check it out. Wow. Very nice accents on this. I do like the white on the black. Ooh. Did I put it in the wrong way? Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh no, this is the button. This way, this way. Yep. Nice. Very nice. Very fresh. Super nice. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can order this from. Let me know what you guys think of this Apple Watch Ultra 3 in the comment section below. And tomorrow I will have the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange unboxing. 2 terabytes, let's go. Stay tuned for that unboxing. Super excited. All right, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.